Hey there, retail and e-commerce store owners. Is your inbox on Facebook getting absolutely spammed with these trademark infringements, copyright infringements, page violations, and crappy people trying to tell you that they bought your product and that it doesn't work and they want a refund? Now, hopefully you're already aware of the fact that this is scams. This is spamming you to try and get access to your Meta account, generally speaking, to get access to your Meta account so that they can go and run up a whole bunch of bills on your ads account and or start spamming and scamming people, none of which we want. So I want to share with you just quickly how you can get rid of those messages on autopilot. Because the problem with these messages is not just that they're filling up your inbox, it's that the time that you're taking to sift through them is one, valuable time that you could be using to work on your business, but also the simple fact that there's a really good chance that you're going to miss the real conversations from your real customers, because if you're anything like me, you just bulk delete at the end of each day. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting, well, I was getting anything up to 100 or 150 of these messages every single day. And between the team and I, we were spending hours just trying to delete those people and try and find the real conversations. And we don't want that. We don't want our real customers to not be getting the attention that they want. So if you would like to know how to put those messages get those messages out of your account so you never have to deal with them, here is how you are going to do it. Are you ready? Let me just jump in and share my screen. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this, because there's a couple of different things that we're going to look at. The first one is super easy. And this one has only come up, I don't know, for me in the last few days. And it's all these guest/visitor messages. And you can see hundreds of these things inside of my account. And we've already deleted a whole bunch of them. So if you are getting these guest messages, the first thing that you're going to do is to come up to your automations. Sorry, that's the second thing you're going to do. Come back. Let me just go back here. You're going to come up to your settings. So where we are is in your business messenger inbox. So you've gone to your business page, you've clicked through to the inbox, and it will open this up. So now we're going to go into settings. This one's super simple. And you're going to go chat plugin. And then quite simply, click on the automations, and down here where it says customize, there is a button that allows you, hold on, I've just activated mine. Here, guest chat, I've deactivated it. So this little button is going to be clicked on. So we have gone into Business Manager, into our business Facebook inbox, settings, chat plugin. You're going to click this automations little drop-down menu, and then down here, go guest chat and switch that off. Hit publish, and you are not going to get those guest messages anymore. Hallelujah. Am I right? Alrighty. So the next thing is, not everybody comes in with guest messages, because if they've either set up a fake account or they've hijacked a real person's account because they've managed to get through with the scam, you're going to get these like this one here. This person here is supposedly a real person. This is just spam. So here is how we're going to fix this problem so we don't have to deal with it. This is where we're going to click up into automations. Now, a lot of these messages, don't delete them beforehand, because what we're going to do is take some of the content from these messages and use them inside of the automation. So here, one of the things that comes up in these messages all the time is the word permanent deletion. So we're just going to copy something like that. I put them into a text file first, and I have, well, you'll see 5 or 6 of them. Now we're going to go up into this little kind of universe galaxy sign, automations, click that. You're going to go create a new automation, and then we are going to go into start from scratch. You can pop this in, get rid of spam. Where do you want it? Probably it's mostly Messenger. Maybe you're getting it on Instagram as well. And here's what we're going to do. When a new message is received and any of these conditions happen, condition number 1, it contains the keywords, and then I like to put it in parentheses or quotes, permanent deletion. All we're going to do is just go through and add more of those. So we want to make sure key things here, new message received, any of the following conditions, and you're just going to go through and put those keywords. The other one that I see quite a lot is, if we have it in air quotes, it's the exact words. So permanently deleted as opposed to deletion. Trademark infringement. I think I have about 6 or 7 in my current automation. I'll show you those in a minute. So you're going to go through, just keep adding conditions with those keywords, making sure that you have any of the conditions. Because if you put all, unless all of those things are happening, it won't work. So any of the following conditions, go down here, take an action, mark as, move to spam. And that, my friends, is all you need to do to never get those messages again. Well, make sure we save the changes. I'm not going to save this because I already have mine running. I'm just going to show you quickly. Let me just click save. I'll get rid of that in a minute. I'll show you the ones that I have in mind just to give you a bit of an idea. We have permanently deleted, copyright warning, temporarily lock. And this is, I've literally just pulled these out of the emails. So what are words that your customers aren't using? Last warning. Sometimes they start with dear admin, mark as, and move to spam. And that is all you need to do to not have to deal with those messages again. Now, the other thing I would say is you can always go back and edit. So I'm now getting, we've probably all had them before, those messages that say, I bought your product, here's my receipt. You saw it right at the beginning of those screens. If you're having any of those messages, try and pull a keyword or a couple of a key phrase out that your customers aren't going to use. And then just keep adding to that automation so that you are constantly keeping up to date and keeping those messages outside of your inbox. And that's going to give you more time to work with your real customers, more time to help you grow and scale your business. Alrighty, thank you. Bye.